Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien. I'm your host P Fire, aka Pick Up a Penguin, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around, come back and show them. We're gonna get into it like we're getting into it for TV, so let's do it. In the morning, when I in the morning, I let my love come down. In the morning, twirlage, boom, little twirlage. Alright, should we get into it? Let's get into it. So today, guys, we have this Stone Island. I'm gonna just call it a track top, you know, a little track top. You see like the collars, you see the style. It's like a really kind of you know, like just like your satinous, I said satinous cotton. Very, very nice. All right, let's get into it, guys. Coffages, left hand side, right hand side. You have these metal rivets right there, which pop off. Oops, let me pop it off. Boom, you see metal rivets burnished in steel, Stone Island. You see the wear and tear there. This is like a piece, I believe, from I think it's like 98, 1999, something like that. Very, very nice. Put those rivets back on. Of course, equilibrium's a beautiful thing. You see what it used to look like, you know, all in black. You see a bit of that exposed brass right there. So yeah, very nice coffages, quite wide. I like them. Very, very nice. Is that wide or is that depth? I'm not even sure. But anyway, let me step back so you can see. I'm going to now zip up the old zip, and this is a Lampo zip. That's how you know a bit of age there. You see the old Lampo zip right there. Very nice. I'm just going to zip this up, and as always you have that nice canvas pull tag. Let me step back. Cool. So as you can see, left hand side you have this pocket with the canvas pull tab and another Lampo zip right there. Boom, boom. Equilibrium is not a beautiful thing, so you are left with nothing there but your hand to cover the nothingness. Yes, I said it. And as you can see, you've got a nice little pocket, like I said, right there. If you put your hand in, yep, you can definitely put a few bars of gold, couple coins of gold, nothing too crazy. A dog and bone, you're all right. But yeah, you're not putting your apartment, you're not putting your skis, and you're not putting your family of four in there. All right, boom. Very nice little pocket. Got them two little holes on the pocket right there, as you can see. Always a nice little touch. Super nice. It's in this nice navy blue. Just give you a little twirlage. Like I said, it feels like you're, you know, just think of your Adidas track top or your Puma track top, anything like that. That's what it feels like. Very nice. Super, super dope. If I open it up, let me just give you a look right there. Of course, you've got the Stone Island right there, and you've got the Made in Italy. Very nice. Gotta love a Made in Italy piece. This is a large. Again, this is from like 1999 or 1998, something like that. Very, very nice. Okay, of course you've got your little label there. So you got your little care labels and stuff right there. You know, archive shit and all of that. And of course, for the eagle eye amongst you, you know it's a green badge thing, green edge, gotta love it. What more can we say? Another little vintage piece for the Kaleki. Yeah, I've had this for a little bit now, a few months I guess, but yeah, very nice. You got the black buttons right there, you know, super tidy, lovely. You got these nice colors, quite, you know, full, you know, again, your Adidas tracksuit top, just giving that feel. Very nice. This is a nice little casual bit. You can wear it on its own like today, or maybe underneath as a little layer piece, you know. Really, really nice. Guys, this has been a Stone Island vintage track top. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like it? Do you love it? Yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, share your thoughts. And as always, guys, I appreciate you. Mad love to you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for engaging. And yeah, keep staying dope, man. I appreciate you for real. And it's love always. Mad love, gang. Peace.